Assalamualaikum students, welcome to MDCAT with SK. First MCQs. Who proposed the theory of inheritance of acquired characteristics? Charles Darwin, Gregor Mendel, Jean Baptiste Lamarck, Alfred Wallace. So correct option C, Jean Baptiste Lamarck. Lamarck proposed that traits acquired during an organism's lifetime can be passed on the offspring like a giraffe stretching its neck. Next MCQs. According to Darwin, evolution occurs due to sudden mutations, natural selections, acquired traits, environmental catastrophes. So correct option B, natural selection. Darwin's theory of natural selection states that organisms better adapted to their environment survive and reproduce. Next MCQs. The term survival of fittest is associated with Lamarck, Mendel, Wallace, Darwin. So correct option D, Darwin. Darwin emphasized that the fittest organisms are those best suited for survival and reproduction. Next MCQs. Lamarckism emphasizes variation and natural selection, inheritance of acquired characters, genetic drift, isolation. So correct option B, inheritance of acquired characters. Lamarck believed changes acquired during life, muscle development could be passed on. Next MCQs. Which scientist co-presented the theory of evolution with Darwin, Lamarck, Wallace, Huxley, Mendel? So correct option B, Wallace. Alfred Wallace independently conceived the idea of natural selection. He and Darwin presented their ideas together in 1858. Next MCQs. According to Darwin, variation arises due to environmental change is not important, exists naturally within population, is always harmful. So correct option C, exist naturally within population. Darwin noted that natural variation within a species allows natural selection to act. Next MCQs. The fossil record provides evidence for sudden creation of evolution over time, stable species only, disappearance of all species. So correct option B, evolution over time. Fossils show changes in organism through geological time supporting evolution. Next MCQs. Which concept support the idea of use and disuse? Natural selections, inheritance of acquired traits, mutations, genetic drift. So correct option B, inheritance of acquired traits. Lamarck's concept involved the idea that organs used more become stronger and are passed on. Next MCQs. Darwin's theory was mainly based on his observation during a lab experiment, a sea voyage, teaching in college, working with fossils. So correct option B, a sea voyage. Darwin developed his theory based on observation made during his voyage on HMS Beagle. Next and last MCQs. Which of the following does not support Darwin's theory? Fossil record, comparative anatomy, inheritance of acquired traits, biography. So correct option C, inheritance of acquired traits. Inheritance of acquired traits supports Lamarckism, not Darwin's natural selection.